This kind jollof na I know when I dey grow up. The kind jollof wey you go use your 2 hand mold, you go put am for mouth. The kind jollof when children go dey eat, dem no go belle full because they like am well well. If you wan know how I make this jollof, make you stay gidigba. Make we start this video. I welcome una, my beautiful lovers of good things. Here na the sum of the ingredients wey we go use. We get onions, 2 type of onions. We get our bell pepper, our scotch bonnet pepper and ginger. We get our tomatoes wey we don blend cook. We get our tomatoes paste, wetin we know as tin. With these dry ingredients, we get our bay leaf, our garlic powder, our curry powder, onions powder, thyme and rosemary leaf. And we can't get the one we go make the jollof rice be the real jollof. This jollof spicy, this one are for this jollof. We can't get our maggi, what we know as bouillon cube. Here na the salt we go make am sweet. And this kind rice na I want use. You see why this jollof dey special well well. Here na the pepper mix when I show una for the beginning of this video. Those red bell pepper, onions, all the orishi. And here na the meat stock, wetin we know as meat water. You need that rich according to Popesa lifestyle. Let am dey rich, make it for sweet. Here na the onions, the one I take fry the rice and the one I want put after they don cook the rice. And all these ingredients now you need for this kind special delicious rice. Here now we don start am, and this oil wey you see, I use am fry meat. I don't know why I like to use my oil fry meat before I use am cook stew or jollof rice. So we want start with the main reason why we start this video. After my onions don fry for small time, I can't put the tomatoes paste, the one we know as tin tomatoes. So I'll still allow that one cook or fry small. Then I'll come still add the tomatoes. When I dey talk about that one, I don't blend down. I can't boil am like you can't boil the tomatoes, dry all the water. Now be the other one when I show una say tomatoes when I cook. And the other one are those bell pepper, onions, ginger and scotch bonnet pepper now and ground together. You see, and I go pour everything put for inside. When I say Popesa lifestyle, Popesa na YouTuber, he still dey cook well and e food dey sweet. Like even if I not test am, but the way e look, e food dey sweet well. So if you don't know am, you go check Popesa lifestyle. Even this jollof, when he cook am, it sweets me when I see his jollof as well. I like the way she take cook am. So my country people, you see I can't pour all the tomatoes as I talk. Now I can't put those dry ingredients, maggi. Me I know dey quick put salt because those meat stock and these ingredients they carry salt well. So I go fair allow the food ready small before I will add salt. After I turn everything, I can't cover am make it done with those ingredients or spicy. For this plate, this stew don't done well. So I go come remove from inside because this stew sabi catch rice well. It dey catch, it dey sharp well. So I go remove from inside, make it not too many because the rice when I want cook, I not go let am many. The rice I just soak am with boil water and salt. I can't wash am well. Wash am so many times so that those starch go come out for inside the rice. So I pour the rice inside. Now I go turn everything together. I'll come put the rest ingredients so I never put, like salt and that jollof spices. That one they just made that spicy for only jollof, so you go see am when I use am, and that spicy go make the jollof dey well. As in, it go give you that taste when you dey find from jollof. It go give you that party or obito jollof. No mind me. Now that kind jollof when we know that time when we dey grow, they come. If na lie, let me know for the comment section. Say Ladyzion, no be that one. Before all this jollof, scanting jollof come dey come, and na this mold jollof now we know. So here I go pour the meat water, but e no go reach. I go add small water join and make I forget the kind rice when I want. Now here you go look well so that you go put enough water when go make the jollof done, and you still be careful for the water make e no go overdone. So you go look and well gauge the water where you go put, make you for not spoil the jollof rice. And I know say una go enjoy this video, even if our grandmama they watch YouTube or our grandpapa they watch this YouTube, then go understand how we take cook this rice. And if you enjoy this video, you like how the video take go, let me know for the comment section. You see, I can't use hot water to wash that jollof spicy ingredients put for inside. You know, see, now I put for inside before I put that hot water. I can't mix everything together. So this jollof day easy well, but it dey special and delicious. So I go allow una enjoy the rest of the video. If you like this video, I beg, I no need to tell you, share am, like am, wetin we know as done thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you never still subscribe. You see they watch us, they notice us. We don't bring the kind food when you like for this channel we go make you subscribe, because I know say the food where we don't cook many parts the one we never cook. Subscribe make you for they see many more video. So I go cover am with my foil paper, so we go dey allow the rice done well. At last I go put just small butter before I go add the onions. So we don't already cook and finish. Maybe you see the color, tell me say this one no be that kind rice when you know before. Let me know say Ladyzion, this rice no be that jollof, that party or bito jollof where you like before. So before I go salute my people when they give me power, when they ginger me till they do this video. When I they do I greet una. God will bless una for me. Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. Thank you all for tuning in. I appreciate una well. I appreciate. If you are still watching, you have not yet subscribed, do well to subscribe. And for my OGs, thank you all so much for always tuning in. May God bless you. If you are new, I really welcome you. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy your staying with us. Make una enjoy the video, and I go see you now for my next video. Bye.